Anyway, guys, Mzansi is calling out a big brother to disqualify Tracy after what she said she wanted to do to Thandeka last night. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. You know, the rest of the house is Samana Pesangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 2026. So, guys, yesterday Ubiki was like, you guys are not gonna sleep in the house. You're gonna sleep outside. You're gonna make fire. You're gonna cook on the fire. Everything is going to be outside. You guys are in the jungle. Guys, when they were sitting on fire, Tracy was like, when I look at this girl, I hate this girl. So today Tracy confessed that yesterday in the fire, she wanted to take one burning wood and say, "Pa to Thandeka." Guys, she was looking at Thandeka. She was like, when I Thandeka, I hate you. So she was talking with King Wanda and Liema. She said, I hate that girl. I really cannot wait for Thandeka to leave, guys. So yesterday, honestly speaking, guys, there was nothing wrong that Thandeka said. Everyone was describing their animals they are using. So Thandeka was not supposed to describe hers based on her experience in the house. So her participating in the wage, guys, remember they do have a wage, guys. They need to win. So Tracy and she was busy daydreaming, thinking of doing the worst thing to Thandeka, guys. I do understand you don't like Thandeka. Yes, so Thandeka, she's not perfect. But for you to think to do something like that, I guess Sana Tracy. Speaking, I'm very disappointed by Tracy, guys. Tracy, she has a strong fan base. Remember, Bravo B people were busy sharing votes for Tracy. Last Sunday, she was not on bottom 3. Didi, guys. I'm worried about those people that are depending on Liema. Liema, she studied the show, guys. She understands that once the people leave, they go outside, the people they will vote for her, guys. And no wonder why she decided to form that clique, guys. She doesn't mean that she likes King Wanda or Ashe. As you can see with Ashe, they cannot stand each other, but they are forcing to be together because she understands the game. Even Ashe, obviously, she is using Uliema, guys. Uliema, she's also using Ashe, guys. So Uliema, she do understand because I'm here for the 2 million. Right? She has said a lot of time to say the 2 million belongs to her. I don't know about Tracy and about Didi, guys. They are busy, depend on Liema, guys. And with Tracy, guys, she has a good personality. I'm not gonna lie. Beside all the drama, she's someone that she can get along with everyone. She can talk with Thandeka, and leave Thandeka and talk with Liam and leave Liam and talk with Q. You see what Q is doing? Q is playing a smart game. And Bravo B, guys, I've never seen Bravo B joining any group, guys. He's all over the place. You will see him talking to Thandeka, and then Umeli, he will talk with Q, and then the next thing is with Don and King Wanda. The other day you will see him talking with Ashe, and then you will see him talking with Liam and Nabodid. He's all over the place, and that's what people love about Bravo B, guys. He doesn't depend on someone else, unlike Meli and Thandeka, guys. That's why the reason why people are saying that Meli needs to leave. We want to see the real Thandeka, guys, because we really don't know Thandeka, guys. The people that I really want them to leave, I'm sorry to say, everyone deserves the 2 million rand, but I wish Meli can leave. I want to see personality about Thandeka, guys. I also want to see Udidi leaving, another person, Dawn and King Wanda. I just want to see Uliema and Thandeka on top 5. There's a possibility that Thandeka and Liema, they can talk, guys. You can see there was a time where Uliema said, Yena no Thandeka, they can make good friends outside. Just right now, they are together. They're in the same place. It is difficult for them to get along, guys. So, Uliema, what about Liema? You will see her talking to Thandeka. I'm telling you, guys, when they go to top 5, Uliema, guys, she's not here to play. So anyway, guys, let me stop talking about Liema and Thandeka. I'm just saying, Tracy, baby, you need to behave, okay? It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.